Okay, let's talk about my water tank setup. So I have in front of you a 1,000 liter tank. This tank has got city water pumped in. The TDS of that water is approximately 130 TDS, which is good for me. I have a non-kink hose that comes out the top into this bulk style head fitting that you use with a rain barrel system. It is attached to another bulk head fitting to come through the wall into this DC house self-priming pump. It's got a pressure switch on it, 3.3 GPM, gives out plenty of power, never starves my pressure washer, even through the deionizer system, works great just as a regular water hose. And that system there, the water comes in, it's got a strainer, and then out and tees off into a two-way, so either into the deionizer system or just simply out into the garden hose. And here's the pressure that you're looking at. That's all. We'll see you on the next one.